What's up? How is everyone doing? This is the level 3 origami fish, which means that it's the third hardest in the series, and it's probably a little bit harder than the last one. I think you guys can fold it. It's out of 1 square of paper. Good luck, have fun. Now, as always, we're going to start off by folding the base, and for this fold, that's a bird base. We'll check up when finished. Okay, and now we are done with the base, which is the bird base. I hope you guys didn't have any struggles. I know I went a little bit fast. I apologize. Now we're gonna start folding the actual fish. Okay, so technically everything from here on out is personalization, but since this fold looks very, very weird when you don't do it how they tell you to, I'm just going to show you exactly what to do to make it look the best. So first we're going to fold to the back fins, which we're going to do by folding the tail down a bit with an inversion. Now here, second, we adjusted the head to make it angled more down, and we're going to start to fold the front fins. This is the best part of the fold, which is the tail, which there are 3 of because it's a goldfish. Now that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the fold. See you guys in the next one for level 4, which I might actually create my own. I found out a new way to create origami, so that will be 2 future videos possibly. Have a good day.